Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a tour through downtown Kingston. We are on Port Royal Street and we're going to be heading on to Ocean Boulevard. Now Ocean Boulevard has some of the nicest and the tallest buildings in downtown Kingston. They actually have the tallest buildings on Ocean Boulevard. And on the right is the craft market. I'm not sure if it's still operational, but if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Now on the left is the Digicel head office, and that's actually the head office for the Jamaica operations and the Caribbean operations. Now this area is prime real estate. It's oceanfront property. On the right is the Kingston Harbour. And this is where you're going to find some of the nicest and tallest buildings in downtown Kingston. So we just passed the Digicel head office. This one is the UDC building. And then this one now is a residential building. The UDO building we just passed is a commercial building. This one is a residential building, Ocean Towers. And then next to it is the ROK Hotel. And then on the right is Ocean 7, which is an entertainment area where you have restaurants. That's it there, that brown building on the right. And then coming up on the left now is the Seabed. Okay, this is it now, the Seabed building. And this is our conference center. And then on the right, coming up now, is the Bank of Jamaica building. Okay, from this view, you can see a very nice, you can see the skyline for downtown Kingston. Very nice. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour as we drive into, well, we're on Port Royal Street now, driving towards Ocean Boulevard. Alright guys, have a good day.